Excuse me. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm good. Little down with cold, but good. Yeah, I'm fine, fine. Not to worry. थोड़ा थोड़ी सर्दी है बस. Hmm. The weather is like that only. Hmm. How are you all? No, no, not second dose, not yet. 84 days for the second dose. So my second dose of vaccination will be in September around. Hmm. Just because of the weather, I think it's normal viral infection. Hmm. How was your test, TWT? Just 84 days. Good, very good. Very good. Hmm. I think most of you have done well in chemistry. Great. Okay. We'll continue. We'll practice some more questions from whole concept. Okay. Chemistry was time consuming. We're okay. थोड़ा calculation part है. Actually, we are still in physical chemistry. तो physical chemistry is calculation part. तो थोड़ा बहुत time लग सकता है. But overall chemistry generally takes the least time to solve. Normally. Okay. In the JEE main exams or the advanced exams, chemistry takes the least time to solve. ठीक है. Normally calculations वाले कम questions होते हैं, but mole concept atomic structure में ज़्यादा questions आएंगे calculations के. ठीक है. तो let us continue. कुछ चीज़ें मैंने ऐसी discussion के time करा दिया था questions करते करते, but we'll solve some questions related to molarity. Interconversion of concentration terms कराया था मैंने. I think you all have I have taught the theory of interconversion of concentration terms. Let us practice some questions from interconversion of concentration terms, and then we'll do some questions related to molarity. Today will be, I think, lecture 15. Which lecture? Mole concept, lecture 15. We'll do lecture 15. Let me share my screen. Anything you have to ask in the test paper? Any doubt? Physics super tough, chem easy, maths mid. Okay. Acha, you are asking question number 16 of test paper. You got the solutions? You want it? Let me see. If I have the solution file or not. I'll send you. The question number 16 is physics. Okay, okay. ठीक है. We'll discuss the doubts in the doubt lecture. Test paper के doubts हम doubt lecture में कर लेते हैं. Let us continue with the regular lecture today. ठीक है. Let us practice some questions from interconversion of concentration terms. Question देखो, a 2 molar acetic acid solution, acetic acid aqueous solution, a 2 molar acetic acid aqueous solution had a density of 1.12 grams per ml. A 2 molar acetic acid aqueous solution had a density of 1.12 gram per ml. Find its molality percentage, weight by weight, percentage weight by volume, and mole fraction of solute. I hope everyone knows the formula of acetic acid. Acetic acid is CH3COOH. Aqueous solution is solution in water. Oh, this is lecture 15, sorry. Let me write the heading. Mole concept, lecture 15. Percentage weight by weight and percentage weight by volume. And mole fraction of solute. Yes, KVPY will be an objective exam. ये वाला question try करो. It will help you getting accustomed with solving problems related to interconversion of concentration terms. Try it once. Yeah, take 4-5 minutes, try it, then I'll help you. आ रहा है क्या? Do you remember the approach? Okay. The approach is, we'll start from the concentration term whose value is given. 2 molar acetic acid solution, that means molarity is given as 2. Molarity is equal to 2, that means 1 liter solution has 2 moles of solute. Okay, 1 liter solution has 2 moles of solute. So that means if volume of solution is 1 liter, that is equal to 1000 ml. The number of moles of solute, which is acetic acid, is equal to 2. ठीक है? इससे देखो हम क्या क्या निकाल सकते हैं. We'll find out mass of solution. Mass of solution will be volume into density. 1000 into 1.12 grams per ml is equal to 1120 grams. We'll find out mass of solute. Mass of solute will be moles into molar mass. Moles to molar mass of acetic acid. Acetic acid formula is CH3COOH. We find out molar mass, it will be 60 grams, so 120 grams. Now we'll find out mass of solvent. Mass of solvent, that is mass of water, is equal to total mass of solution minus mass of solute. This is 1120 grams minus 120 grams is equal to 1000 grams. Moles of solvent is equal to mass upon molar mass. Mass upon molar mass of solvent. Mass of solvent is how much? 1000 grams. Molar mass of solvent. Solvent is water. 1000 by 18, 500 by 9. अभी हम सब कुछ निकाल सकते हैं. So let us first solve for molality. Molality is number of moles of solute 2 upon mass of solvent in grams, which is 1000 into 1000. This is the formula for molality. Moles upon mass of solvent in grams into 1000. This comes out to be 2. We'll say that the concentration of acetic acid is 2 molal. यहाँ पे molarity और molality की value equal आ रही है. The data is such that the value of molarity is approximately same as the value of molality. Clear है ये? यहाँ तक clear है सबको? Is this clear to everyone? Note कर लो जल्दी से. Next page we will calculate weight by volume and mole fraction of solute. Yes, फिर okay. क्या doubt है? Raise your hands. बोलो.
Sir, molarity can be calculated.
One second. Can you be a little loud? 1 second.
Sir, can you repeat how you calculate molarity? See that.
Molality is number of moles of solute अपॉन मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट इन ग्राम्स इनटू 1000.
हाँ
याद करो
ओके
फॉर्मूला
सर.
मोलालिटी का, तो वी पुट द वैल्यूज इन द फॉर्मूला.
सर आई डिडंट सी द 1000 ग्राम the unit है.
ओके, फाइन. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? नेक्स्ट देखो, we'll then calculate weight by volume and mole fraction of solute. Percentage weight by weight will be mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Mass of solute कितना कैलकुलेट किया हमने? मास ऑफ सोल्यूट 120 ग्राम्स, मास ऑफ सोल्यूट 1120 ग्राम्स. तो 120 बाई 1120 into 100. This comes out to be 1200 by 112. सॉल्व करोगे तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 10.7% आ जाएगा ये. Weight by weight, percentage weight by weight of solute present in the solution is 10.7%. Now solving for weight by volume. Weight by volume is mass of solute in grams upon volume of solution in ml into 100. Mass of solute is 120 grams, volume of solution is 1000 into 100. तो 12 आ जाएगा. तो 12%. The weight by volume is 12%, weight by weight is 10.7%. Last part is mole fraction of solute. Mole fraction of solute is moles of solute upon moles of solute plus moles of solvent. Moles of solute 2, moles of solvent 500 by 9. 18 by 518 or 9 by 259. क्लियर है सबको? FBS का क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 ट्राई करो. ट्राई क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 ऑफ फाउंडेशन बिल्डर सब्जेक्टिव. आई थिंक आंसर सही है, 166.66 ml. Yes, answer is correct, 166.67. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. एक बार मैं सॉल्व करके बता देता हूँ ईशान, बाकी लोगों को बता देता हूँ, इन लोगों का नहीं सॉल्व हुआ. 105 ml of pure water is saturated with ammonia gas, producing a solution of density 0.9 gram per ml. If the solution contains 30% ammonia by weight, calculate the volume of solution. ठीक है. 105 ml of pure water at 4 degrees Celsius, that means 105 grams, because what density of water at 4 degrees Celsius is exactly 1 gram per ml. So we can say that 105 ml of pure water is equal to 105 grams. Let us assume that mass of ammonia absorbed is m. So mass of solution will be equal to 105 plus m, mass of solvent plus mass of solute. And it is given that the resulting solution contains 30% ammonia. So 105 plus m into 30 by 100 is equal to m. इससे m की वैल्यू आ जाएगी, सॉल्व करेंगे तो विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ m. तो 105 इंटू 0.3 प्लस 0.3 m इज इक्वल टू m. तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा m इज इक्वल टू 105 इंटू 0.3 अपॉन 0.7, तो इंटू 3/7. This comes out to be 45 grams. So mass of ammonia is 45 grams. ठीक है. Now we'll get mass of solution. इन दोनों को ऐड करो. We'll get mass of solution as equal to 105 plus mass of ammonia, that is 45, is equal to 150 grams. Volume of solution will be equal to mass by density. Mass is 150, density is 0.9. 1500 by 9. ठीक है, 3 से कैंसिल करेंगे तो 500 by 3 is equal to 166.67 ml. क्लियर है ये? ये क्वेश्चन समझा सबको? वेरी गुड. Now we'll do some questions, some numerical problems related to molarity. Numericals from molarity. इसमें सबसे पहला करेंगे calculation of molarity for dilution of a solution. What is dilution? Dilution means decreasing the concentration. अच्छा, एक मिनट, प्रीवियस पेज चाहिए, एक मिनट रुकना. लेट मी टर्न. एक बार प्रीवियस पेज देख लो जल्दी से. हो गया अभी? आर्यमान Now numericals from molarity. You will first talk about dilution. What is dilution? Dilution is decreasing the concentration of a solution by adding some solvent. ठीक है, इसमें देखो सपोज करो वी हैव अ सॉल्यूशन 1, some solvent is added, we get solution 2. Solution 1 molarity M1 volume V1, solution 2 molarity M2 volume V2. ठीक है, we can say that volume of solvent added will be final volume minus initial volume. Solvent add करने से total volume बढ़ेगा, तो total final volume minus total initial volume will give us the volume of solvent added. As solvent is added, concentration will decrease. We'll say that M2 is less than M1, V2 is greater than V1. ठीक है, as only solvent is added, the number of moles of solute remains same. Number of moles of solute in solution 1 will be equal to number of moles of solute in solution 2. So we get M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. This formula can be used for dilution of a solution. आ रहा समझ में? बस इतना ध्यान रखना कि दोनों वॉल्यूम्स का यूनिट सेम रखेंगे. अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वॉल्यूम ml में लिखा है तो राइट हैंड साइड भी वॉल्यूम ml में रखेंगे. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वॉल्यूम लीटर्स में तो राइट हैंड साइड भी लीटर्स में रखेंगे. We just have to keep the same unit for volume on both sides. ठीक है, टर्न करूं पेज, कुछ क्वेश्चंस करते हैं इस पे बेस्ड. What volume of water should be added (300 ml of 0.4 molar glucose solution to decrease its concentration to 0.1 molar? करो. What volume of water should be added to 300 ml of 0.4 molar glucose solution to decrease its concentration to 0.1 molar? ट्वेल्व 1200 ml is the final volume. देखो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे molarity of solution 1 is 0.4, volume of solution 1 is 300. Molarity of solution 2, final solution we need 0.1, final volume is not given. We'll apply the formula M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. So we'll get 0.4 into 300 is equal to 0.1 into V2. So we'll get V2 is equal to 1200 ml. We'll get volume of water added will be equal to volume of solvent added will be equal to V2 minus V1 is equal to 1200 minus 300 is equal to 900. So it is 900 ml of water has been added to the original solution. Answer will be 900 ml. Yes, correct. ठीक है. What is the volume of 49% H2SO4 solution? Density is equal to 1.5 gram per ml. Required to prepare 750 ml of 0.2 molar H2SO4 solution. थोड़ा different कर दिया मैंने question. What volume of 49% H2SO4 solution will be required to prepare a 750 ml of 0.2 molar H2SO4 solution on dilution? We have a concentrated H2SO4 solution, ठीक है, whose weight by weight is given as 49%, whose density is given as 1.5. उसको dilute करके we have to prepare 750 ml of 0.2 molar H2SO4 solution. We have to find out the volume of 49% H2SO4 solution used. Whenever it is given as 49%, we'll assume it to be weight by weight. ठीक है, unless otherwise specified, percentage is taken as weight by weight. नोट कर लिया सबने क्वेश्चन? नेक्स्ट देखो, अप्रोच देखो कैसे सॉल्व करना है. थोड़ा सा मैं हेल्प कर देता हूँ, हिंट देता हूँ. सॉल्यूशन 1, इसकी मोलारिटी नहीं दी हुई है, बट वेट बाय वेट दिया हुआ है और डेंसिटी दिया हुआ है. वेट बाय वेट इज 49, डेंसिटी इज 1.5. याद करो, मैंने वेट बाय वेट और मोलारिटी के बीच का एक रिलेशन लिखा है, तो और याद करने को बोला था. तो मोलारिटी M1 will be equal to 10 into percentage weight by weight into density upon molar mass of solute. यहाँ पे सोल्यूट क्या है? H2SO4. H2SO4 का मोलर मास 98 होता है. तो 10 into 49 into density 1.5 upon 98. 15 by 2 is equal to 7.5. So we'll get M1 is equal to 7.5. V1 is equal to निकालना है. What volume of this solution has to be used? We have to find it out. M2 is equal to कितना दिया हुआ है? 0.2. And V2 is equal to 750 ml. Let us solve for this. M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. So molarity of solution 1 is 7.5. Volume V1 has to be calculated. M2 is 0.2. Volume is 750. V1 is equal to 20 ml. क्लियर है ये? क्वेश्चन क्लियर है सबको? एक और प्रीवियस पेज जल्दी से देख लो। क्लियर है ये? अब टर्न करूं? ये नोट कर लो जल्दी से। वेट बाय वेट, मोलारिटी और डेंसिटी के बीच का रिलेशन हमें याद रखना है। मोलारिटी इज इक्वल टू 10 इंटू परसेंटेज वेट बाय वेट इंटू डेंसिटी अपॉन मोलर मास ऑफ सोल्यूट। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखो। तो दिस वाज डाइल्यूशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, देन विल डू मिक्सिंग ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस। Mixing of solutions containing the same solute. इस पे बेस्ड एक क्वेश्चन हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में किया था और एक फॉर्मूला भी डिराइव किया था। सपोज वी हैव अ सॉल्यूशन 1, molarity m1, volume v1. We have a solution 2, molarity m2, volume v2, and we have a mixture. Molarity m mixture, volume v mixture. ठीक है, एक सेकेंड रुकना। Solution 1 and solution 2 both containing the same solute are mixed. ठीक है, as we have the same solute in both the solutions, we can say number of moles of solute in solution 1 plus number of moles of solute in solution 2 is equal to number of moles of solute in the mixture. So number of moles will be molarity into volume, the m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m mixture v mixture, or we get m mixture is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2 upon v mixture. This v mixture will be nothing but v1 plus v2. If there is no other solvent added, so we can say that v mixture is v1 plus v2. ये फॉर्मूला शायद से लास्ट लेक्चर में भी लिखाया था मैंने। प्रीवियस स्लाइड देख लो जल्दी से। क्वेश्चन देखो, 150 ml of 0.4 molar NaOH is mixed with 250 ml of 0.2 molar NaOH. Find concentration of NaOH in the mixture. बहुत स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है। We'll get a mixture is M1V1 0.4 into 150 plus M2V2 0.2 into 250 upon V1 plus V2 150 plus 250. 110 upon 400, 11 by 40. Is equal to 0.275 molar. क्लियर है ये? Is it clear? समझा सबको ये वाला? पेज 10 करूं? Next we'll do mixing of solutions containing different solute. इसको भी दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे। पहला है solutes which do not react. Suppose we have solution 1 of solute A and we have another solution 2 of solute B. When we mixed, we get mixture of A and B. In the resulting solution, we have both A and B present. So molarity of A and molarity of B in the mixture can be calculated straightforward as molarity of A in the mixture will be total moles of A upon total volume of the mixture. Total moles of A will be molarity of solution 1 into volume of solution 1 upon volume mixture will be V1 plus V2. Similarly, molarity of B in the mixture will be equal to total moles of B. B is present only in solution 2 upon volume of mixture, which will be equal to M2V2 upon V1 plus V2. क्लियर है ये? जैसे एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल देखो, 100 ml of 0.3 molar NaCl is mixed with 200 ml of 0.2 molar MgCl2. Find concentration of NaCl and MgCl2 in the mixture. Try करो. Find concentration of NaCl and MgCl2 in the mixture. बहुत स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है. We'll find out concentration of NaCl in the mixture as molarity into volume of NaCl in the first solution, that is 100 into 0.3 upon total volume. Total volume will be 100 plus 200, that is 300. This comes out to be 0.1. Concentration of MgCl2 in the mixture. Okay. MgCl2 is 200 into 0.2. Our total volume remains 300. So 200 into 0.2 is 0.4 by 3. 0.4 by 3 is 0.133. So 0.1 and 0.133 is correct. Okay. 0.1 molar and 0.133 molar. यहाँ पे देखो कैलकुलेटिंग कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ आयंस. कभी कभी क्वेश्चन में ये भी आता है, कैलकुलेटिंग कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ आयंस. So these ionic compounds, NaCl, MgCl2 are ionic compounds. They ionize completely in the aqueous solution. Solution में they remain in the ionized form. So NaCl is 0.1 molar. It will completely ionize to form 0.1 molar Na plus and 0.1 molar Cl minus. Similarly, MgCl2 will also ionize to give Mg2 plus, but per magnesium chloride will get 2 Cl minus. इसका concentration था 0.133. It will completely ionize to give, this is Mg2 plus has 0.133, but Cl minus has twice of 0.133, that is approximately 0.267. Now if you find out total concentration of Cl minus, total concentration of chloride, and chloride comes from NaCl as well as MgCl2, this will be equal to 0.1 plus 0.267 is equal to 0.367 molar. This is the total chloride concentration. Na plus comes only from NaCl, that is 0.1 molar, and Mg2 plus comes only from MgCl2, that is equal to 0.133 molar. So we can calculate concentration of ions for all those solutes which ionize in aqueous solution. Okay? Normally ionic compounds show complete ionization in aqueous solutions. Clear है ये? पेज टर्न करूं? एक और क्वेश्चन देखते हैं इस पे बेस्ड. We can mix 3 or more solutes also. 100 ml of 0.2 molar H2SO4 is mixed with 200 ml of 0.2 molar MgSO4 and 200 ml of 0.4 molar MgCl2. Find concentrations of all the different ions in the solution, in the resulting mixture. Find concentrations of all the different ions in the resulting mixture. ट्राई करो. ट्राई करो ये वाला क्वेश्चन. So we'll first find out concentration of the individual solutes. We'll find out concentration of H2SO4 in the mixture. How do we do? 100 into 0.2 upon the total volume. Total volume will be 100 plus 200 plus 200. That is 500. The 0.2 upon 5 is 0.04. Then we'll find out concentration of MgSO4 in the mixture. Concentration of MgSO4 in the mixture will be uh, molarity into volume 200 into 0.2 upon total volume. Total volume is 500. This comes out to be 0.4 by 5 is 0.08. And then we'll find out concentration of MgCl2 in the mixture. Concentration of MgCl2 in the mixture will be 200 into 0.4 upon total volume, that is 500. This comes out to be 0.8 by 5 is equal to 1.6 molar. Okay. Now each of these ionizes completely in aqueous solution. H2SO4 will give 2H plus plus SO4 2 minus. H2SO4 कितना था 0.04. So this will give H plus है 0.08 twice आएगा, SO4 2 minus 0.04 ही आएगा. Coefficient is 1. MgSO4 will result in Mg2 plus and SO4 2 minus. इसमें coefficient 1 और 1 है. MgSO4 is 0.08. Mg2 plus is 0.08. SO4 2 minus is 0.08. आ रहा है समझ में? एक सेकंड रुकना. MgCl2 will also ionize to give Mg2 plus and 2Cl minus. MgCl2 is 1.6 तो Mg2 plus 1.6 आएगा. 2Cl minus से twice multiply करेंगे 3.2. ये सारे आयंस के कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अभी आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं इससे. इन सब में देखो Mg2 plus दो जगह आ रहा है. Mg2 plus comes from MgCl2 and MgSO4. So we'll get concentration of Mg2 plus total is equal to 1.6 plus 0.08 is equal to 1.68. क्लियर है ये? एक सेकेंड, ये 1.6 नहीं आएगा, 0.16 आएगा. सॉरी, लेट अस डू दिस करेक्शन फर्स्ट. दिस इज 0.16. तो दिस बिकम्स 0.16 प्लस 0.08 इज इक्वल टू 0.24 mg2 प्लस आ गया. ठीक है. नाउ सिमिलरली विल गेट H प्लस तो एक ही जगह से आ रहा है, दैट इज H2SO4 तो 0.08. SO42 माइनस दो जगह से आ रहा है. SO42 minus comes from, 1 second, let me write it as 0.16 and 0.32. SO42 minus comes from 0.08 and 0.04. दोनों को ऐड करेंगे 0.12 आ जाएगा. SO42 minus is 0.12. What else is present? Chloride ion is present. Chloride comes from only MgCl2, that is equal to 0.32. So these are the concentrations of different ions present: Mg2 plus, H plus, SO42 minus and Cl minus. ठीक है, क्लियर है ये? क्लियर टू एवरीवन? कोई डाउट है इसमें? ठीक है, आज के लेक्चर में हम इतना ही करते हैं. कंप्लीट द बुकलेट एज मच एज पॉसिबल. FBS FBO कंप्लीट करो, and then get equipped also, try and do. ठीक है, we'll solve some more questions in the next class. We'll solve mixing of solutions containing different solutes. ठीक है, and then this chapter will be finished. ठीक है. होमवर्क FBO FBS कंप्लीट कर लिया. फाउंडेशन बिल्डर्स ऑब्जेक्टिव, फाउंडेशन बिल्डर्स ऑब्जेक्टिव. If FBO FBS is complete, then you may attempt get equipped to JEE main and get equipped to JEE advance. ठीक है, चलो, थैंक यू एवरीवन, टेक केयर. ठीक है, एंड हैव अ गुड डे. See you again on Thursday. Today's Tuesday, Thursday. Yeah. Chalo. Thank you.